No, it's a trap.
Pull up now, there's I'm here to vibe. Strive ukuze kushawufasha. Awulethi iphuzo sivele ziwe-once. Ungastresi baby, show that part. We just living, babas, push it soft life. To it, I see, shake, I see that.
Reporting live again, it's your boy Jay holding it down, sitting, titty. And I'm with your ex's favorite rapper, Dando, Inje Andrew Bapodi. Oh, more, should I say your boy, Safeshare, Baba? Oh, my, toka miste, Polia, toka.
I know I love it. Safeshare, it's figgy. Can't think about one of my feet, me figure. That was the key. I'm out to go kind of meet. I'm coming again.
Holding it down, sitting. I'm one of the hottest motherfuckers in the hood. And again, the legend himself in flesh, the boy down. What it do, man?
Easy.
I've heard you come in the game and spinning crick, talk around.
Easy. Trabalho. Splashing is up to sleep. Playing kick. No, what I'm feeling too.
And it's a fucking beautiful thing to see, bro. Shit is cracking, bro. Shit is cracking. It's a fish for 9:20 minutes, but we. How did this shit come about? Let the people know what's done. What's going on?
Showcase. I already know done over faith. I'm just shy to sapeshe. We have to pass to sugar. Linga linga simona zithi ayichu. Hlehla bakusazoshuba peluka abane ngiguglisha lapana zoyithola ngoma iTunes first. Bathi uDando first waselamonti. Very own Lamontville Road 4 lapha kudlwana road first. Showcase represent iKaslami first Kaslama Dando.
You sure? Yeah, the right way.
Showcase. Yeah, but later fethu eqaleni fethu how we started this shit. I think 2 years back first.
Yeah.
Ngibona nama out first. Uhleli fethu kanje studio first. Ukuthi ingahle sifuna ukuyiletha thina fethu la eThekwini ezohluka. So what hlesi ibola sibuka ngoba phela mehlele ebhenjini nathi nje ama artists sibuka ukuthi okay game idlalwa kanje yabo. So thina yini esingayiletha engahluka mfethu yabo. Sahlangana namakhanda amajisa mfethu kavele kaphuma saphesheya yabo njengoba nawe wabona ke next last year bese akhipha izulu saphesheya mfethu kayi movie
akavele kwenyiwe kwavele kwenyiwe toka kwavele kwaphilwa Gagini toka reporting live so boy holding it down sitting broadcasting from the CC studios face warning side. Shout out to Zonke Ntom Zolo, shout out to Bonko Meshe. We love y'all.
Sure.
My nigga, continue. But my nigga, so how did you link? I want to see with those Kindi and Tino's team. How did you link up na machita?
Sure. To Skindi to kahle sisuka mbrio scale. Yayibona ukuthi scale si1 DHS. So sidlala ibhola mfethu kenqenqamo. Then umuntu fast forward wamasha mfethu wayijuice yabona ayopusha idatha ngoba phela yabona sedlale mina ufuna ngishaya incwadi yabona kodwa manje ukuthi umculo wona osegazini yabona mfethu so ngabuya ke mjipa mfethu 2015 mangibuya ngapho Skindi kanti ahle usephusha umculo yena ngala yabo ukuthi awufethu na upusha le mpahla le hayi vele sishaye mpahla yabona through Skindi ngahlangana nothini yabo so thina ngase through Skindi kahle nama out mfethu eyiphusha istela sawo ngaqhamuka nesami vele sahlangana ukuthi asikhipha ushukela mfethu then from lapho mfethu hayi bekhishwa nje ukuthi ama hits
hey like a motherfucker bro ha
sapeshia
he move and your boy Tino is just the motherfucking mastermind behind the visuals hey boy I'm a video that dog hey I can't find Gagini.
Shout out.
I can feel the fun. It's a picture, boy.
Shout out.
Let the people know what's his team. Person Maliningi Records, dog. Because I saw it upon all over the people. But so shit.
Sure.
But what's going on? Because it's team upon us. Never front action, my face. Never front action. About to fiscal say, "Bo, fiscal say that."
Maliningi mfethu. Ikhaya lethelisha mfethu yayibona mfethu ikhaya ngasho ukuthi uDandi ikhaya lakhelisha mfethu and shout out to imali eningi mfethu ukuthi ikwazi uku-identify mfethu italent eThekwini elabantu kade bephusha mfethu yayibona so it's not just letuzana Reclaim, but it's a family mfethu yabona manje sahlangene mfethu azama ukuphakamisa itheko to the best of their ability mfethu yabona ngasenesikhathi sagcina la eThekwini nathi mfethu ukuthi sibambisane mfethu yabona so ngasho ukuthi imali eningi mfethu it's a group of members abantu abazobambisana mfethu abazokhuphula itheko to another level mfethu yabona such as Osmiso, such as Othino, Skindi, Olex Lafoy, T-Bag, Wobbly, shout out to the team, and expect nothing less than to lead. It's got that represent the 031 to the fullest.
And finally, records for Izokakisa, dog, Izokakisa.
Shout out to
the video dog shit, man. Hey,
Kumama.
Hey, my face, I just spun a ball of. Partner fits properly the right way.
Ngishaya bafethu ngaze mhlawumbe ngishaye energy la bafethu ngisabandla bese siza ngamandla futhi siza ngamandla.
But let the people know talk about it. When I personally seen what are you working on, dog? Is there some solo shit coming up? Is thing, dog? What's going on?
Fethu at the moment ngitshela ukuthi fethu Gaspar ayibona 24/7 ise studio ayibona khona into engizoyikhipha mfethu manje ngifuna ukuthi abantu bawahlazisele usuku bese beyalinda usuku lafika ukuthi awudande wathi what is something mfethu kuma pipeline ezayo yabona if you follow me on Facebook khona le mpahla imali eningi virtual tour iyaphuma mfethu yabona khona ingoma engiyiperformile abaningi mhlawumbe sebeyibonile to soft life yabona ile thambile mfethu nothing less than ile thambile working on something njengaleyo mfethu from udando single eceleni. And then unyeke mfethu sise studio namajita mfethu working on some other projects futhi ayibo saphesheya mfethu konke lokho sebenza kuphela
izusaphesheya sesifikile ngakini man. Oh shit person of my push but let the people know ukuthi where can we find you mfethu online talk on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, send talk
on Facebook mfethu kahle sibethi uqondile wami uNjabulo Masoka but then akhona likhona le page lami eseceleni uDando Straight and Instagram it's Dando_the rapper so little gum Dando_DAREPPAR then on Twitter it's Dando the rapper kuhlangene futhi models kahle ngangeni ku-YouTube ngizafuna push page lami subscribe lapha bafethu mangiphusha ama video bengilandele lapho but it's coming soon akhona lapho
Asho dog.
Ngibonile lempahla yakhe engakini mfethu enamasimba dog. Salute.
Sabangena dog. Sabangena bra. Saba fraud dog. Properly nigga. The right way, thoroughly best. Akuzonye mfethu imali eningi virtual soul prize a masterpiece fine.
Showcase.
Silo put his foot in that bitch fine. Shout out to Deeply Rooted fine. So people should really check that shit out. Your new virtual soul, where is it available at? On YouTube, in a page, in a channel.
Yeah, if you go to Deeply Rooted, DBN, Deeply Rooted, don't get your parents in face. Icon straight up. www.deeplyrooted.world. So when it's direct to you, and then it's a file to you to virtual tour. Yeah. But now call it's file to our actual Maliningi page. So very soon it's gonna be linked lap in a straight to Maliningi tour lap of foods.
I should talk look out for a soft life
and phile thambile awulile bafethu yes ningibekezelele nje bafethu uDando Methuli kusekhona engikwenzayo yabona angiyeni umuntu ama interview kakhulu kodwa kodwa sayisaphesheya
umuntu wesipani talk see this performing and shake up mnandi bese yabo it's a beautiful thing to say bro.
Salute and to abalaleli abasilandelayo mfethu ngibonga support kakhulukazi bafethu kunina from day one from May 2 drop isaphesheya there's been nothing but love in the city mfethu yabona so bese ngaqhubeka mfethu kube naleyo support mfethu because makuphakama thini isisaphesheya kuphakama itechnology njengoba kuphakama nomlazi phakama ilamuntu phakama umasho zonke indawo mfethu just trying to put on for itheko mfethu yabona isikhathelo kuye goals funa bezela mfethu
sebela Sebela, man, Sabagena, don't come, Sabagena, fans. Shout out to everybody that's in the city putting in. Shout out to SMB that just dropped that new t-shirt line. Shit. I gotta get that motherfucking Nipsey Hussle on don't come. There's some Shango, man. That's what's fun. Don't come. That's not don't come. That's like I need some face. Shout out to your boy Pete Dog. Face just dropped that fucking video. Face show tiny face to the ball. They doing those fucking things. It's the most beautiful video I've seen so far, dog. With dope creative direction from that motherfucking face. Oh, it's dope. Shout out to your boy Wobbly, but Kumawa, dog. The video's a fucking movie. Shout out to your boy Skin. He's about to drop that shit, man. Come here, the fun.
Hey, show me.
You got the fun. I said, what's on your fun? What's on your
Ghost.
Well, we're about to pull up again 2.5 GCIIS featuring your boy Pete Dog, boy Skin is over new. So it's a whole lot of work, whole lot of shit going on in the city. Again, shout out to your boy CeeLo, shout out to Deep Rooted, shout out to T-Back, Culture Kills Entertainment, shout out to Wonk all over Incorporated again.
Showcase.
Bets.